Home Show.
Michael from Sugarland has a leaky deck.
It's on his second floor. It's this concrete one. He sent a picture of the problem in right here, Tom.
I see it.
Michael writes that it's above his living room and is leaking water through the ceiling. So if you're wondering what was the first clue, there it was.
Yes.
I think we got us a problem. Anyway, I either need to rip out the concrete or start over or get weatherproofed covering or something or a sealant to stop the water from coming through. What would you do here, Tom?
It sounds like it's going to have to be all redone. But I don't want you to jump the gun and just start telling people, tear it out, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. I don't want you to do that. I want you to get an expert in, and here in Houston, since you are in Sugarland, I want you to call Ideal Roofing. Let them come out and take a look at it. It probably has a flashing problem, and you can fight these things for years and years and never get 100% unless you redo it. And usually when you have a persistent problem like this, it probably either has deteriorated over time if it's old, or it wasn't detailed right when it was new. So I'd call Ideal Roofing, and they're a waterproofing company, not just a roofing company. And that's what people say, why would I call a roofer? Well, some roofers you wouldn't, because what they do is they just put roofs on and that's it. But some companies, and the good companies, or I shouldn't say the good ones, but the bigger ones that do commercial work and do things like that, like Ideal Roofing does, they're a waterproofing and roofing company. I've had this discussion with many people about, there's a lot of different companies out there that do this, Ideal being one. But I'd have them come out and take a really good look, because you want to do it once and you don't want to have to do it again. Mm-hmm. And it should last 20, 30, 40 years if it's done right.
All right. You got a question? We can help you just like that and solve the water dripping on your head or any other problem around your house. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form. Send it in. We'll answer it just like this in a video that you will find a new one posted every day to our Facebook page. And if you haven't followed us there, we'd sure appreciate it.